how are you today? Do you remember my name? My name is Tommy, Tommy. Today, I am going to talk about the two inventors of the first flying airplane. Do you know who they are? They are the Wright brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. So now, are you ready? Let's get started. Two men made the first plane that worked. They were brothers. Their names were Orville and Wilbur Wright. The airplane was made out of wood. Before they made the first airplane, right? They opened a bike shop. They fixed and sailed bikes when things went wrong. They also made their own bikes. So that's why they get lots and lots of money. They didn't use the money right away. They saved the money they used. They used the lots money to build planes that worked. The first two models didn't work, right? The first two models didn't work, but the third flyer did. It could stay in the sky for 12 seconds and 120 feet. That's even higher than you can jump on the moon. You can only jump 10 feet on the moon, but you can jump 2 or 3 feet on Earth because the gravitational force is stronger than on the moon or on other planets. It was a start of a great invention. It was a start of a great invention. They made other planes. They all worked. Each one got better and better. Now, the first model airplane was in a museum for everyone to see. Now, I will talk about more about airplanes and Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. So now, are you ready? Let's get started. Do you know when did Orville Wright die? He died on the 1st of January in the 19s. In the 19s, right? Wilbur Wright died when he is 45. He did not have a wife or children. Just as Orville Wright, he died when he was 78. As same as his brother, he did not have a wife or children too. Other people make better planes. First they invented the fighting jet plane. Then this plane, we have it today, right? And then and in the past they invented the drone. It was the second plane of the year. And this is why they invented the first plane. It is called the airplane or something. Do you know how did they invent the plane so it could work? They needed the propellers, the wings, and the engine. They needed a small engine to control the ship, the airplane. And then the pilot will lie here, and then they use their shoulders this shoulder will turn right, this shoulder will turn left. If they want to go forward, that's why they have the propellers at the back. Then they can go forward. That's how the airplane works. So now, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe me more at Studying English with Tommy. So see you.